Bullish OKB cost assumptions range someplace in the scope of $168.48 and $318.24 by 2030. Market analysts acknowledge OKB could reach $131.04 by 2025. Bearish OKB market cost assumption for 2023 is $29.95. OKB show. The cryptographic currency market is directed by many driving exchanges that offer a phase for vendors to exchange mechanized assets. This is seen as a significantly dangerous business because of the flightiness that goes with cryptographic cash regions and the steady informal regulations that impact the trading scale and the section of new market individuals. Regardless, exchanges like Binance, okex, Coinbase, Gemini Association, FTX, and various others front-run the symbolic improvement of the area. An enormous number of them have their nearby tokens. Binance Coin is BNB. Coinbase has Coin, while okex has OKB as the stage's neighborhood token. The OKB natural framework is ridden solid areas for buy and the rising tendency of being one of the most grounded tokens to lead the general crypto market recovery after the bear market, and is similarly seen as a helpful hypothesis for long-stretch monetary supporters. This OKB cost check video relies upon authentic assessment from a cultivated financial advocate and the utilization solid areas for the overwhelming majority examination gadgets to the regularly revived to screen current expense changes in the OKB blockchain network. Anyway, what will be the base cost regard, typical trading cost, and most noteworthy expense of OKB in the approaching months? What is OKB? Will OKB's cost be at a legitimate assertion considering the undeniable data gave, and is it expected to stay aware of the improvement of its market capitalization in a little while? What is OKB? OKB is an ERC20 coin and the nearby identification of the okex association, one of the huge computerized cash stages in Malta for spot trading, possibilities trade, and decentralized application improvement, which was made by the OK Blockchain Foundation that incorporates a different plan development and applies check of stake in the practical understanding. OKB token depended on the Ethereum blockchain yet was in this way moved to its blockchain show, okex chain. okex chain is significantly flexible, secure, and has a diminished understanding time because of the brand name groundwork of the association. OKEx stage is one of the greatest cryptographic cash exchanges overall in both liquidity plan and trading volume, which it keeps a vitally 5 spot in all of them. It sees itself as a significantly secured and clear stage for stable trading trades because of its general usage of scattered bunch developments and server load changing. The OK blockchain network definitively composed the guidelines of cryptography science and development in building the basis of the association to save solid areas for a plan no matter what the money-related situation. They moreover discard the necessity for delegates, presenting a negligible cost game plan and partner new errands to clients while staying aware of safety in the show. OKEx attempts to isolate itself from various exchanges by shipping off its cloud mining organization, a semi-free multi-sig feature for supportive trades, and multi-reason limit wallets for the security of assets. The OKEx wallet incorporates the hot wallet, which for the most part requires the thought of the clients, and the cool wallet storing, which is considered to be a safer decision. OKB coin current expense. OKB is at present worth $37.44 USD. OKB has moved 1.06% at this point with a trading volume of $25,625,979. OKB is at present situated 29 among generally cryptographic types of cash with a market capitalization of $2,263,520,723 USD. Utilizing the general strength document, moving weighted typical, Williams fractal and moving typical blending uniqueness from the chart above, we can choose cost plans for OKB to finish up whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our expense assumption guesses use steady OKB market data, and all data is revived live on our site. This grants us to give dynamic expense figures considering current market activity. OKB worth assumption 2023 OKB, according to specific viewpoints, is one of the most surprising computerized monetary standards to rise this year. The OKB cost measure for 2023 expects a tremendous extension in the year's last part, possibly coming to $56.16. Similarly with other advanced types of cash, the rising will be moderate, yet no amazing drops are ordinary. Averaging $52.42 in cost is extremely forceful, yet it is conceivable as soon as possible given anticipated joint endeavors and movements. OKB should have a base worth of $44.93. OKB worth assumption 2024 of each 2024. OKB cost gauge has a great deal of room for expansion. In view of the potential announcements of different new associations and drives, we surmise that the expense of OKB will in a little while outflank $93.60. In any case, we should hold on to check whether the OKB's overall strength list rises up out of the oversold zone preceding putting down any bullish bets. Considering the market unconventionality, OKB will trade with a base trading cost of $74.88 and a commonplace trading cost of $82.37. OKB worth gauge 2025 expecting the upward design happen until 2025. It could reach $131.04 and OKB could benefit. If the market experiences a destruction, the goal may not be met. OKB should trade at a commonplace expense of $119.81 and a low of $112.32 in 2025. OKB worth assumption 2026 accepting that OKB really upholds market assessment among computerized cash lovers. The OKB coin cost could remain stable for the accompanying 5 years. According to our projections, OKB will be green in 2026. The OKB should reach and beat its phenomenal high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be esteemed at $168.48, with a base expense of $149.76 and a regular expense of $157.25. OKB worth assumption 2027 after some wide deciding and concentrated assessment. We check the OKB cost should cross a typical worth degree of $194.69 by 2027, with a base expense of $187.20 expected before the year's end. Furthermore, OKB has a biggest worth of $205.92. OKB worth figure 2028 in light of the fact that addressing things to come associations that should happen by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish example will keep, conveying the normal expense to around $232.13. If OKB sorts out some way to break the protected level in 2028, we could see a generally outrageous expense of $243.36. Forgetting to gather the assistance OKB needs by 2028 could achieve a low of $224.64. OKB worth figure 2029 while OKB is attempting towards interoperability between associations to hustle affiliation, the bullish example from the prior year should continue. So the base trade cost has been put at $262.08 and a yearly expense close above $280.80 in 2029. OKB worth conjecture 2030 by 2030, OKB will finally outflank its past ATH values and record new expense level. The base expense could be $299.52 and perhaps show up at a most outrageous worth of $318.24, averaging out at $307.01. OKB worth assumption 2031 the cryptographic currency market is known to be especially unusual, which is one of the numerous supports for why cost assessing is an inconvenient endeavor. Puts forth a legitimate attempt to guess future sticker prices with exactness. However, all estimates should not be taken as financial appeal and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are guessing that cryptographic cash ought to have procured gathering across